You are welcome to the Lord TV, your number one fantastic reality TV that gives you all that it takes to be enlightened on trending news such as politics, entertainment, sports, and what have you. If you are new on this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button as well as already subscribed. So please don't forget to drop your comments anytime I drop new videos. Thank you. Ciao, ciao. Breaking news. All Nigerian universities to be shut down under Buhari until further notice. The Academic Staff Union of Universities, ASU, has revealed that it has commenced national mobilization for strike action against the President Muhammadu Buhari-led federal government over the failed implementation of the agreement it reached with the union. Speaking with newsmen after its congress, the chairman, ASU University of Ibadan chapter, Professor Deji Omole, lamented that despite its efforts, it's making Nigeria great through education, successive administration have positioned themselves to make Nigeria retrogressive. He described the federal government as a serial defaulter and bad example for Nigerian youth. The union accused the Muhammadu Buhari-led government of eroding the trust people initially reposed in them to reposition the education system in the country. According to him, the union is not happy with the government over its consistent failure to fully implement any of the agreement reached with the union. Omole said that the main conflicting area are the unfulfilled 2019 agreement, 2012 Memorandum of Understanding, 2013 Memorandum of Understanding, 2017 Memorandum of Action, and 2019 Memorandum of Action. He maintained that the federal government has been paying lip service to funding public education, saying that government has failed to honor the sustainable funding agreement it reached with the union. The ASU boss listed the areas in dispute to include payment of outstanding balance of earned academic allowance up to 2018, unpaid annual salary increment, failure to activate the visitation panels to varsities, and failure of the government to commence a renegotiation team. Government is untrustworthy. They are paying lip service to everything, including education. Things are going worse than before. Their policies are ill-conceived, hence creating more problems than they can solve. Our members are being mobilized. They are to be at alert. This government is weak. They are impoverishing lecturers with meager amounts being paid. Some departments now beg lecturers to donate paper to run government business. IPPIS is a distraction. They should honor our agreement to avert strike, he said. Thank you for listening to this news. Viewers, what is your take on this news? Yes, education is one of the most significant parts in the life of citizenry in Nigerian especially. The level of our education in Nigeria, I would say, is 30% because of the level of attention that is being paid to it. The President Muhammadu Buhari administration has not been doing well in that aspect of education. Look at the outstanding that the Nigerian that the President Muhammadu Buhari's administration is owing the academic staff union of the university. Look at the outstanding arrears, the allowances, the the needed infrastructures that need to be attended to. Tell me, how can the students learn when the environment they are is not conducive enough? How can they learn when the people that infuse this brain into them are not properly taken care of? How can they learn when the materials needed for them to study are not made available? All of these things are what the President Buhari's administration need to pay attention to. And most of all, paying the lecturers peanuts and not meeting up with their salaries is a very big blow on the face. How do you expect them to render services to you when you are not paying them for the service that they are rendering? Please, I think Nigerians need to voice out, because this eh, this has to do with the life of our children. I don't know what's your comment on this. Whatever it is, please don't forget to leave them behind. Click on the subscription buttons as well as bell buttons to receive more updates. Thank you.